How to explode, Neville Goddard breathing method on manifestation. Hello and welcome, my name is Gareth Fleck, and in today's video I want to show you and demonstrate how to do the breathing method that Neville Goddard speaks about so much and how to explode. Before we get into this, if you're new, hit that subscribe. I'd love to have you a part of this community. It's beautiful, it's full of amazing people, and I'm sure you'd fit right in. All right, let's get into it. So first, we got to decide what our scene is. What looped scene are we trying to manifest? So for example, let's say I want to land 3 more real estate clients for my social media marketing agency. And what would I imagine? I would imagine I'm going into my parents' house. So I open the door, walk in, and I see my mum and dad. Mum, I did it. I got 3 new real estate agents for my social media marketing agency. And my mum loves to dance, so she would jump up and be like, oh, yes, yes, yes. And we would both feel like, oh, yeah, 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 together. So that would be my scene. She would be congratulating me. So that would be the voice. She would be dancing. So I'd be seeing her dancing, congratulating me. I'd be dancing. So I'm covering the senses. So you can hear, see. I probably wouldn't be tasting anything. Or what would I smell? She loves lilies. So there's probably lilies in the house. So I would be smelling lilies, seeing her dancing. I'd be feeling ecstatic and amazing. Okay. And my dad would congratulate me as well. But for this, because I'm so used to seeing my mum do the wee happy dance, I'll use that as an example. So that is our looped scene. So whatever you have, you loop it, and we loop it over and over. But I'll loop it, and then I'll get into the breathing method until I fully get so excited and I explode. I'm going to look really funny, but this is worth it to show you guys how to do this. And the reason we do this is to build up such excitement and emotional levels, and then Neville Goddard says we explode, and then we have no more desire to do it. So I'll voice out loud my scene, and then I'll start the breathing. Okay. So I'm walking up to the house. My hands on the door. I am opening the door and I'm walking in. I'm walking through the kitchen and I see my dad on the chair. The TV's going. My mum's on her chair. Mum, I did it. I landed 3 new real estate agents for my social media marketing. She is jumping up. She's excited, saying congratulations, and we're dancing. Okay, now. Did it. Wow, I did it. What a buzz, what a rush. So as we're breathing, watching this dance, excited in my mind, then you add the emotion, and we get to a point where it builds up and well, for me personally, I feel like I shake, and I get so excited, and it is done. It is done. It is done. Yeah. I landed 3 new real estate agents for my marketing business. Yeah, you get into the rhythm of the breathing. Watching me and my mum dance out of excitement, and then you explode it. Hope that was helpful. Drop me a like and a comment for my commitment. Subscribe if you're new. I love interacting with you all, and I hope that was helpful. May peace and infinite blessings be on your soul, and all your dreams manifest into reality. I love you, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.